Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Tonight it's currently 11:51. But I literally just got an email saying that my Boxycharm was delivered at like 10:52, and I was like, what the heck? That's so random. So I ran outside and here it is. So today, or tonight, I figured that I would just unbox it for you since I already had my makeup done and everything. I went and got my nails done today, and I just got so inspired by them, and I just created a whole look to go with it. So come check it out. So there is the look that I came up with. I'm obsessed with it. I'm like, why don't I use glitter more often? So pretty. So taking advantage of the whole makeup done, thought we'd do the unboxing. So I am a BOXYLUXE member. That's why I got the big box this month. And let's just open it up. So it always comes with a theme. Every month is a different theme. And this theme is Getaway. So it's probably vacation theme. Okay, so you get 9 full-size products in this box, and it was only $49.99, so $50. And like I said, this is, I just added it up. The total value of it came out to be $352 after everything, and you only pay 50 bucks. So I got this whole box for 50 bucks. Pretty much. $300 free. Who doesn't want that? So let's just go ahead and jump right in. This box is about vacation, so I'm assuming it's going to be very summery, I guess. Let's just dive in. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, and this is full size. I've heard a lot of good things about Living Proof hair products, but I never actually have tried it. And this is a styling and finishing spray. It says instant lasting volume and texture. I wonder if it has like a smell. Let's just try. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like lemon and like shampoo. So this is a finishing spray, and then the next item that I have is this. I already know what this is because I've been seeing it like on their Instagram. This is the PYT Mini Blow Dryer. I got the purple one. It's like very velvety and it's so cute. It has 2 speeds. You can change the voltage on it, 230 or 120. Oh my god, it's so cute. It has a net in the back so your hair doesn't get caught up in it. That's dope, because that always happens to me. And then inside of this silk bag, you get 2 accessory pieces. So this one is to like do curls, or I'm pretty sure just for curls. And then this one I would probably use the most. This one I actually do use when I use my blow dryer. I just get my brush and I just brush it down with the blow dryer. It kind of just helps straighten and silken, if that's the word, smoothen everything out. Well, my hair. So that's exciting, and I love that it's like mini and lightweight. So this PYT blow dryer is $85. Lord, that's more than the amount I paid for the box. And then this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast was $29. Next item I'm seeing is this Trestique mascara. This is $25. It says Pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down along the lash line. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes. Desired curl. Oh, so it's a curler and a mascara in one. Let's see. Oh, here's what it looks like. These are the instructions right here. I think you can just peel it off so the packaging isn't ugly. Yeah, so there we go. And then, oh, flip down to curl. What? Oh, wow. So you just flip this. Oh, okay. Let me see. Like, my hair smells so good right now. Let's see. Let's curl these falsies. Do you guys see a difference? I don't really. It is a mascara. I don't know. It smells very chemically. You know when it rains and like how the outside smells when it rains? Kind of smells like that mixed with a little bit of chemical. That's pretty cool. So this is the Trestique Good Vibes mascara and it's $25. The next thing, ooh, the I always want to say no problema, but the No Problem Prime Essence Flower Extract Touch and Soul Primer. So I have used the Touch and Soul Poreless Primer, but this is a different packaging. It's more like a squeezy tube. Oh, it's like liquid. It's gonna drip right. See? It's like a serum. Curious. My face doesn't do well with beauty oils and stuff like that before applying makeup. So I'm curious to see how this will work for me since it is like a little serum. But hey, that's the good thing about Boxycharm is you get to try new makeup or new products that you wouldn't normally buy. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is the packaging. This goes for $58. Holy cow. It's so cute. It has like the honeycomb on it. I'm guessing it's made with like honey. Well, honeymoon. Hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Well, Pharmacy Beauty. Ooh, I always love like the gold packaging. It's so pretty. This is a night serum. Maybe after I'm done wiping this makeup off. I'll try it. There it is. Pretty thick. It smells like honey and like lemony or ginger. Like a very fresh smell. Oh. This makes me so excited. I love like opening my Boxycharm. Alright, so that was item number 5. Moving on. Oh my god, I'm really excited about this. Finally, like a makeup product. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss. I think that's what it's called. Yes, Lemonade lip gloss. Oh my god, I've seen so many good things about this. I actually almost bought this because of Sarai's video with her using it. It's just like, ooh, that looks bomb. Oh, the packaging is so cute. I got color peach tea. Oh, thank god. I'm not really a bright person, especially with like lip colors, so I was hoping for this nude. Oh, it doesn't smell like lemonade. I definitely thought it was gonna smell like lemonade. It smells more like a cupcake, like you just want to eat it. Like, oh, literally smells like a cupcake. So pretty. Alright, and this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss goes for $17. We have three more products left. Holy cow. I feel spoiled right now. Oh my god, what happened? Okay, next item is this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. Wow, that's a lot. It's very, I didn't even show you guys. So here it is. It is a skin refreshing mist. Claims to be illuminating. Claims to have extracts of black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. This refreshing mist, I was going to say milk. Mist increases radiance while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Wow. So, sounds like I need this. Let's just spray it. Oof. Oh my goodness. If you're not a scent person, you may not like this. I work in a chiropractic office where we offer massage therapy, and we work with a lot of aromatherapies, and it just reminds me of aromatherapy, and I instantly smell peppermint. And if you don't like peppermint, you're not gonna like this, but it feels really good. I don't know, does it look like it made my skin dewy already? I don't know, can't really tell, but I love skin mist, so happy I got that. And next product I'm seeing is the Biotic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. This is Dr. Brandt. A pH Balancing Yogurt Cleanser. Oh. There it is. This is full size, and this goes for $35. It's supposed to be a probiotic, balance your pH. Yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil that leaves skin hydrated, never stripped. So I'll have to give this a try. I'll have to give this a try because, yeah, my face needs some work. I'm gonna get a facial soon, actually. Ooh. Okay, so we're on to our last item. I'm kind of like most excited about this product, but here we are. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow 3 palette. I had the Pro Glow palette, the one with the cream contour, the powder contour, and then the highlight and blush. I loved that palette. Lost it. Don't know where I lost it, but it's gone. So here it is. And then I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it has a film. Oh. I actually really love the packaging on this. I think that's so unique and different. And I like that it has a mirror on both sides. But here you go. So, ooh, this is a very summery palette. I obviously right away see here's a matte bronzer, a shimmer bronzer. Let's just swatch these. Can't really tell. So here is the matte bronzer, and here's the shimmer bronzer. Ooh, and then two highlights. One is Stunner and one is Fire. I have a feeling that Stunner will be more my skin tone just because it looks more on the lighter side. Oh yeah. My camera won't even focus it. It's so blinding. So here is Stunner. And here is Fire. So Stunner and Fire. And then there's two blushes in the palette. One is called Lit and the other one is called Strobe. I'm actually a blush girl. I love blush. So this is exciting for me. I'm just going to take 2 clean fingers and we'll swatch that. Ooh, it's a shimmery blush. So this is Lit and this is Strobe. Very, very pretty. That's so exciting. Let's like pop some more highlighter on because we don't need any more, right? Ooh. Oh, yes. Ooh, that's blinding. That is Stunner. Ooh. Like instantly highlighted. Yeah, the gold one just comes like gold on me. Not really feeling that. Let's apply some of the bronzy shimmer bronzer. Oh, so pretty. Some blush. I really want to apply. Try this Lit one. Oh yes, this is why I'm a blush girl. I feel like it just lifts you up and like brightens your face, makes you look so much more alive. So if you're not a blush girl, you need to get onto the blush. Like it's just oh my gosh, how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh, and that's it. That concludes our BOXYLUXE for this month. So if you're not a Boxy member, you need to be a Boxycharmer. I'll leave my link down below. It's not like an affiliate code or anything, but it does help me get some points to get some free goodies. So yeah, if you guys want to join, feel free to use my link down below. That was so much fun. I can't wait to try out these products. I'll definitely be telling you guys how I feel, especially about the skincare products. I do a lot of skincare Insta stories if you follow me on IG. If you don't, I will leave my link down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If not, I'm sorry, but I hope you did. And leave a comment down below what your favorite BOXYLUXE product or Boxy product that you've received. I think I've been a Boxycharm member for like 2 years now. So I don't think I told you guys how much the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette was, and that was $45. So everything added up. What's nice about Boxycharm is they give you all the pricings and descriptions on this card, so you know exactly how much you are getting out of the box, and everything added up is $352, and you do only pay $50 for the box. So it's over $300 in products for free. So if you're not a member, I really encourage you to become a Boxycharmer. I'll go ahead and leave my link down below, as I said before, and you can use that and become a member. And I hope you guys do, so you can open your boxes with me. It's like getting a birthday present every month. Why don't you want it? Alright beauties, so have a good rest of the day, and I will catch you in the next video.